Welcome guys in our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial we are going to learn how to use Scala to read a CSV file in DataBricks. So guys, I am using DataBricks Community Edition and it is free. If you want to learn more in DataBricks, so you can utilize this feature, that is DataBricks Community Edition. Okay, so it is totally free. And here suppose that you have a CSV file like this. So I have some sample data, and I am calling this sample data as a employee data. So in this data you can see we have employee ID, employee name, designation, manager ID and manager name. So you can see this data is duplicate, but for this tutorial we are going to, I have already load this data into my catalog section in DFS. Here you can see I have already load this data. Okay, so first of all, if you write if you want to write your code in Scala, so here you can see you can choose this language. By default, Python is default language for Databricks notebook, then SQL, Scala and R. So in my case I am going to use Scala. Okay, so in top of that you can see, and then I need catalog. So in the DFS I am going to use employee data, right, and copy path. So here you can see here that is Spark API format, that is file format. So I am going to use Spark API format. Copy this and go back to my code, and I am going to create a variable where file path, like this. So it is going to be support double quotes, like this. Okay, and I am using my default cluster, and if you want to create it you can create it. Okay, and then okay, so first of all we need a Spark session, so we need to create a Spark session. For this we are going to create a Spark session. So you can use, first of all, val is the keyword to define your variable. So val Spark is my variable name. Then yep, yeah, before creating this Spark session I need to import my libraries. Okay, so import libraries. Okay, so similar to Python you can use import keyword, import org dot apache dot dot spark dot sql dot spark session. Okay, now I have imported this library, so I need to create a Spark session now, right, after that. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a Spark session dot builder, and app name, it is similar to Python actually. Okay, then I'm passing my app name is read csv file. Okay, then dot get or create. So this is a simple syntax you can see here, and I'm going to execute my cell. Okay, so it is saying that builder b should be small b. Okay, and I'm going to run this. Okay, now we have import our uh, libraries and create the session. Now we need to read our file from our file path. Okay, so we I'm assuming that you have the same file, or you can use any file. You can create some sample data and you can upload the sample file in your DataBricks environment. Okay, and then we are going to read our data. Read the file into a data frame. So here in Python you don't need to use val keyword, but here val is important. Df dot, then this is our data frame variable. Then we are going to use our spark variable to read dot. Now you can see that we have many options like csv, format, jdbc, json, load, parquet kind of stuff, but we are here we are using csv file, so we are passing csv. Okay, and then here you can see we are going to pass our file path. Now okay, sorry, before read there is one more thing, that is option. No, option will come before this option. So in option you can pass header property, and we are saying that is true. We have header, and then we are saying the file type is csv. Then we are passing the file path variable over here. Okay, and now we are going to display our data. Display data frame, df dot show, the same method we have here. Now I'm going to execute this cell. Okay, so you can see uh, we have read the data from the CSV file, which is stored in DBFS, DataBricks file storage. Okay, file system you can say. But if you want to read your data from Azure, Blob storage, from GCP cloud storage, or AWS S3 bucket, then you can do it in Scala in DataBricks. So guys, you can see it is very easy to read the data from a CSV file in Scala within DataBricks. So please like, share and comment. if you have any question, so we are here to help you. And please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching us.